Hey you all, I'm about to make my chicken salad grande. The first thing I'm going to do is I started out making my chicken breast, and I cut these little slices in it to make it look like when I go out. What I added was pink salt, curry powder, granulated garlic, and Tabitha Sunshine. Yay! This tastes so good. Here's my romaine lettuce, nice and crispy, and I chopped it up. And I've rinsed my mushrooms. Some people just brush the dirt off, but I gotta rinse mine off. Because as you can see, when I pour it out, I just can't see myself eating. I use vinegar to rinse off. Oops, I put a little bit too much. Rinsing off my, to clean my bell peppers, the red, orange, and yellow bell peppers. And I cleaned it squeaky clean. After that, I'm going to chop these things up. And this is how I chop them up right here. They're going to be all mixed together. Here are my mini cucumbers, and I put it in the same vinegar solution that I had the peppers in. And I clean those until they're squeaky clean. Then I cut them into these little circles. Little cute little circles. And I'm going to add this sweet butter salad. Half of it I couldn't use because my refrigerator messed up the other part and it was soggy. But I just wanted a different mixture of salad. And here I'm going to add in the bell peppers. The yellow, red, and the orange bell peppers to make it nice and colorful, crunchy. Yum, yum. Here I'm going to add the portobello mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I love to make a mushroom burger. Just with one of those big portobello mushrooms. Boy, it's real good. But I do love mushrooms. Here I'm adding the mini cucumbers. And here we go. Here is the final product. It looks so colorful. It looks so good. And here we go in my bowl. Dip, 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 dip. Sounding all crunchy. Nice and healthy and crunchy. I took the biggest piece right here. Yeah, buddy, the biggest piece. I'm gonna chop this up though. Here, I had to chop it up into bite sizes. This bowl is fat. Here is my balsamic vinegar, homemade balsamic vinaigrette that I made. It is so good. I love this. I use it with avocado oil because olive oil kind of like bothers my daughter, so I use avocado oil in mine. But it is so delicious. And here is the end result. And I'm ready to smash. And there it is. It was so delicious.